The downtown region of the city consists of 5 neighborhoods: Eau Claire, including the Festival District, the Downtown West End, the Downtown Commercial Core, Chinatown, and the Downtown East Village, also part of the Rivers District. The Commercial Core is itself divided into a number of districts, including the Stephen Avenue Retail Core, the Entertainment District, the Arts District and the Government District. Distinct from downtown and south of 9th Avenue is Calgary's densest neighborhood, the Beltline. The area includes a number of communities such as Connaught, Victoria Crossing and a portion of the Rivers District. The Beltline is the focus of major planning and rejuvenation initiatives on the part of the municipal government to increase the density and liveliness of Calgary's centre. Adjacent to, or directly radiating from the downtown are the first of the inner-city communities. These include Crescent Heights, Hounsfield Heights, Briar Hill, Hillhurst, Sunnyside, including Kensington BRZ, Briggerland, Renfrew, Mount Royal, Scarborough, Sunalta, Mission, Ramsey and Inglewood and Albert Park, Radisson Heights directly to the east. The inner city is, in turn, surrounded by relatively dense and established neighborhoods such as Rosedale and Mount Pleasant to the north, Bonus, Parkdale, Shaganappy and Glendale to the west, Park Hill, South Calgary, including Mardeloop, Bankview, Altadore, and Killarney to the south, and Forest Lawn, International Avenue to the east. Lying beyond these, and usually separated from one another by highways, are suburban communities including Evergreen, Somerset, Auburn Bay Country Hills, Sundance, Chaparral, Riverbend, and Mackenzie Town. In all, there are over 180 distinct neighborhoods within the city limits. Stephen Avenue is a major pedestrian mall in downtown Calgary, Alberta, Canada. The mall is the portion of 8th Avenue SW between 4th Street SW and 1 Street SE. It is open to vehicles only from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. The street is known for some of Calgary's finest restaurants, cafes, pubs and bars. The street also provides an eclectic mix of boutiques and high-end retail. Major shopping centers include the Core Shopping Center, formerly Calgary Eaton Centre and TD Square, Bankers Hall, Fashion Central, Scotia Centre, and the Bay Department Store. The street is also home to downtown Calgary's major convention and exhibition facility, the Teelis Convention Centre, and 2 hotels, the Hyatt Regency Calgary, which incorporates several historic buildings into its facade, and the Calgary Marriott. Several of Calgary's neighborhoods were initially separate municipalities that were annexed by the city as it grew. These include Bonus, Montgomery, and Forest Lawn. Stephen Avenue is one of Calgary's busiest, most animated, and recognizable streets. The avenue means different things to different people. For some, Stephen Avenue is Calgary's premier hospitality and retail destination. For others, it's a pedestrian-friendly environment to take a walk, to people watch, and socialize. It is also a historic destination, containing the highest concentration of historic buildings in the entire city. It's a cultural hub, connecting Calgarians and visitors with some of the city's most prominent cultural facilities. It is the diversity that makes Stephen Avenue attractive to so many people, and a focal point of Calgary's downtown. Why this project now? Stephen Avenue helps define the identity of Calgary's downtown. A vibrant Stephen Avenue is critical for attracting new businesses and tenants downtown. Physical conditions are deteriorating. A new plan for the street is needed. Clearly defining a path forward sends a positive message to property and business owners, and Calgarians. This project will aim to Extend the energy and liveliness of the pedestrian mall westward along 8th Avenue South.W. Establish a new vision for Stephen Avenue that creates opportunities for private investment and redevelopment. Create short and long-term strategies that can be implemented over time to make Stephen Avenue better for Calgarians and visitors. A path towards success. Generating a bold and compelling vision for the future of Stephen Avenue will require new ways of working and thinking for the city of Calgary and its cultural and business partners. In order for any public space to thrive, like a garden, it must be actively cultivated. A great public space must be well located and well designed, seeded with the right combination of culture, commerce and play, and create authentic invitations for many people to care and participate in actively stewarding and caring for the space. A new streetscape design is necessary but not sufficient to catalyze the transformation of Stephen Avenue. Great design must be paired with a robust program for economic investment and redevelopment and a strong framework for operations, maintenance and stewardship. A Calgary classic is being transformed. Welcome to Stephen Avenue Place, a modern hub for energy, innovation, business, dining and shopping. Slate, with its partners Oliver and Bonacini and Concord Group, are creating 3 singular dining concepts at Stephen Avenue Place: a panoramic 40th floor world-class restaurant, a 2nd floor chef-driven, market-style food hall and a stylish and animated ground floor restaurant, patio and bar. O&B and Concord are also revitalizing Stephen Avenue fixtures Gora Plus Gun and National Beer Hall. Standing tall above the 100,000 square feet, retail podium is 520,000 square feet of state-of-the-art workspaces complete with gym, conference center and private lounge. A welcoming and inspiring face onto Stephen Avenue Walk, proximity to the core, the C train and a central +15 location makes this the place to be in downtown Calgary. Stephen Avenue Walk has a long history of bringing people together. This is a tribute to that legacy. This is classic Calgary like you've never experienced it before. Calgary experiences a humid continental climate and has warm summers and cold, dry winters. It falls into the NRC plant hardiness zone according to Environment Canada. Average daily temperatures in Calgary range from 16.5 Celsius or 61.7 Fahrenheit in July to -6.8 Celsius or 19.8 Fahrenheit in December. Ice skating on the frozen stream in Bonus Park. Winters in Calgary are cold, with temperatures dropping below -20 Celsius or -4 Fahrenheit. Winters are cold and the air temperature can drop to or below -20 Celsius or -4 Fahrenheit on average of 22 days of the year and -30 Celsius or -22 Fahrenheit on average of 3.7 days of the year, and are often broken up by warm, dry Chinook winds that blow into Alberta over the mountains. These winds can raise the winter temperature by 20 Celsius, and as much as 30 Celsius, in just a few hours, and may last several days. As well, Calgary's proximity to the Rocky Mountains affects winter temperature average mean temperature with a mixture of lows and highs, and tends to result in a mild winter for a city in the prairie provinces. Temperatures are also affected by the wind chill factor. Calgary's average wind speed is 14.2 km per hour, one of the highest in Canadian cities. In summer, daytime temperatures range from 10 to 25 degrees Celsius. 50 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit, and sometimes exceed 30 Celsius, an average of 5.1 days anytime in June, July, and August, and occasionally as late as September or as early as May, and in winter drop below or at -30 Celsius, -22 Fahrenheit, 3.7 days of the year. As a consequence of Calgary's high elevation and aridity, summer evenings tend to cool off, with monthly average low temperatures below 10 Celsius, 50 Fahrenheit, throughout the summer months. Calgary has the most sunny days year-round of Canada's 100 largest cities, with just over 332 days of sun. It has on average 2,396 hours of sunshine annually, with an average relative humidity of 55% in the winter and 45% in the summer. Calgary International Airport in the northeastern section of the city receives an average of 418.8 mm of precipitation annually, with 326.4 mm, 12.85 inch, of that occurring in the form of rain, and 128.8 cm as snow. The most rainfall occurs in June and the most snowfall in March. Calgary has also recorded snow every month of the year. It last snowed in July on July 15, 1999. Thunderstorms can be frequent and sometimes severe, with most of them occurring in the summer months. Calgary lies within Alberta's hailstorm alley and is prone to damaging hailstorms every few years. A hailstorm that struck Calgary on September 7, 1991, was one of the most destructive natural disasters in Canadian history, with over 400 million Canadian dollars in damage. Being west of the dry line on most occasions, tornadoes are rare in the region. The highest temperature ever recorded in Calgary was 36.7 Celsius, 98.1 Fahrenheit, on August 10, 2018. The coldest temperature ever,